special video which includes my wee baby Freya. Today we are learning how to do baby bunches. I put Freya's hair in bunches all the time, like every day, and I have loads of mummies, that's right, and I have loads of mummies always asking, how do you do that, how do you do that? And even though I say it's really quick and simple, people get a little bit intimidated. So today we've made this video for you. All you need are little baubles. This is a pack that I bought from Amazon. I'll put the link below. There's hundreds in there, all different colours, which is great. And bows. We've got hundreds of bows lying on the floor just now. Freya's playing with them all. I like the bows to match her outfit. You don't need to have bows if you don't want to. I used a comb and Freya's hair was just slightly wet when we were doing it. Anyway, enjoy.
So using my comb, I'm just trying to find a kind of natural parting line. A top tip here would be don't worry too much about getting a perfect straight line. I'm not just saying that because in this video my line isn't straight. I'm just saying you've got to go with the flow and at the baby's pace. So if she's sitting still, you've got to grab that opportunity. Also with the comb, I'm just trying to smooth the hair down, just sort of creating a kind of nice smooth bobble. Then using my finger and thumb, I'm just pinching the hair together so I can wrap the bobble around. It's typical though that the one time I film myself doing this, the bobble snaps. Ah! But that doesn't usually happen. I was prepared, I had a backup. So using finger and thumb, I'm just wrapping the bobble around the hair, not too tight. We don't want to create too much tension on the scalp, but just tight enough to kind of keep it in place. And once that, just kind of give it a wee tug, just to kind of floof out that kind of flowery bunch. And we're just doing the same on the other side. Nice and smoothing the hair down. I would say what's really great is to maybe have something to like distract your wee one with. For me, it's usually a comb or the bows. Sometimes it could be food. But really just go at your baby's pace. If you need to wait another 15 minutes, another half an hour, just do that. Again, pinching the hair together, finger and thumb, and I'm just wrapping round 2 or 3 times just for a bit of security. Once we've done that, it's time to move on to the bows. For me, I use the crocodile clip bows. There's a link below in the about section of this video, and they slide in really easy and then they slide out easy too. So that is how I create this baby bunch.
Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, please comment below, or if you have another video tutorial that you'd like me to film, please tell me. Thank you very much. Please subscribe for more videos and like and share. Thank you. Bye. You can wave.